Yeah, where we're going to?
Wait, hoy, Korean?
Hmm?
Riyan pala yung
Ano yung driver natin?
No.
Foreigner pala yung
Sir?
saka natin. Si Foreigner.
What's your
Yeah.
name, sir?
Hmm?
What's your name?
Ay, Jongsu, Jongsu.
Jungsu.
Yeah, Jongsu. Last name is Pot.
Jungsu. How long you driving on?
Jong support?
Jongsu.
Jongsu.
Yeah, Jongsu. Last name is Pot.
mga vlogger galing sa event. Hello Jongsu. Jongsu, I'm Mr. Lee.
Mr. Lee?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is that's your last name?
Yeah.
What is your first name?
Tool. Just call me Tool.
Tul.
Tol.
Lee.
Tol Lee, Tol. Like, you call me Tol, like
Tol.
brother.
Brother.
Tol. Tol Lee.
Tol Lee.
You call me Tol Lee.
Not Tol.
Remember? Tol Lee. I'm Tol Lee.
Totally.
Yeah. You're
How long you driving on Grab?
Hmm?
How long?
9 months
Oh, 9 months.
and 3 days and 2 hours.
very new. 9 months? But the travel's very short.
Hmm?
Very short from here.
We're going back there. We just U-turn.
Oh, you
U-turn. Yeah, U-turn.
Navigation you use?
No internet.
Korean way.
You are poor. Yeah, Philippine.
You are poor Korean.
Yeah, Philippine very slow internet.
And very slow internet. Go back again?
Huh? Yeah,
Go back again?
going back. Oh, okay. Yeah,
You can turn on
Here.
the
Hey driver, why always you go back, turn around your car?
because your booking is go back also. Here.
Nahilo ko.
See?
And why you don't speak? Don't speak. No, you
Only English.
no English. Talk to my brother Tol Pot.
I'm
Jongsu. Yeah, Jongsu.
Jongsu.
I'm from Thailand.
Thailand?
I'm no English.
No English.
No English from Thailand.
Kapungka.
Yeah,
Kapungkrap.
And how about you? Where you from?
I'm from
Your mother?
Qatar. From
Qatar?
Qatar Mansamar.
Oh!
Island of Philippines, Philippine Island.
Pinilit mo ah.
So,
Yeah.
How about you? Where
you from? Me?
You.
Me. I'm from City Jail.
Oh! What part in the earth?
I'm from the City Jail of the BGC.
Wow! Xiao.
Yeah.
From BGC.
Let's teach Korean Tagalog word.
Yeah,
Tagalog word.
you teach me Tagalog.
Oh,
I teach you how to doggy.
No, you teach me how to speak Tagalog.
Tagalog. Ano ba maganda?
Like-
Think Tagalog.
like-
Eduardo,
I
Tagalog.
love you how to say.
I love you.
Bertus, no?
I love you. In English, hiwalay na tayo. Hiwalay na.
In English, in Tagalog.
Tagalog. I love you. Tagalog, hiwalay na tayo.
Wala na tao.
Yeah. Hiwalay tayo.
Oh, wala to.
And
You practice.
like English, evening. In Tagalog, magandang umaga.
Makataon mo ako?
Yeah.
Evening. Oh,
Magandang
evening,
umaga.
oh.